Would people, Charlie, keep on watching Odasco TV and keep on sharing. Thank you.
Hello, your mama Baba Odasco TV. To say I was Odasco Senior High School. I have a show on the 69th Independence Day Inter-School Competition. I want district level. And I have a show on one makes me qualify for the regional level. It's in watching you when I give a
So it will be a travesty of justice to refuse to set the face of the program this morning. So with all humility, I accept to stand in for the director. Thank you.
Very much. MC. This is a welcome address by the headmaster of Odasco High School, Mr. Kamwa, at the 29th Inter-Senior High School Debate and Quiz Competition to mark the 69th Independence Anniversary celebration. On behalf of the School Board of Governors, the management, the staff, the students, and indeed the entire community of Odasco Senior High School, first of all, we appreciate the selection of our school, a very highly esteemed institution, for hosting these academic exercises. Madam Chairperson, representative and a representative of the Municipal Director of Education, distinguished dignitaries present, esteemed staff, my enthusiastic students, our cherished competing schools, and indeed all protocols duly observed. It is with profound appreciation and gratitude that I welcome you to this 29th Inter-Senior High School Debates and Quiz Competition here in Odasco Senior High School in honor of our nation's 69th Independence Anniversary. This gathering is more than a contest of intellect. It is a testament to our collective belief in education as the bedrock for national development. Through rigorous, persuasive arguments and mastery of knowledge, we nurture a generation capable of safeguarding Ghana's sovereign future. As our learners engage with confidence and decorum, let us remember that this competition is but a tool for academic refinement, but not a catalyst for discord and confusion. Regardless of the results that will be pronounced at the end of the day, there must be mutual respect and fraternity among our institutions. We are united by a common purpose, and that is to elevate the standard of teaching and learning within the Akimoda zone and even beyond. I express my sincerest gratitude to the Ghana Education Service, all schools authorities present, the contestants, and indeed every key stakeholder whose dedication sustains this noble tradition. May today's intellectual exercise inspire all of us to pursue academic excellence with humility and integrity. Madam Chairperson, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we are at your beck and call as an institution that is hosting this August gathering. Don't hesitate to call on any of our students if you need some form of help or the other. Our facilities are at your disposal, and enjoy them no matter how inadequate they may be. Madam Chairperson, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I once again extend a warm welcome to you all. Let us engage in this friendly contest with honor, dignity, and the spirit of true scholarship. You are welcome. May the best school win, but I wish we will host and win. Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much.
Mode of delivery, and then 4, expression, how you are able to articulate or express yourself. Then 5, points articulated, that is content, one significant thing that many students, basic school, how we call it, GHS, SHS lacks when they come to writing of PC and WASI. Many only express without points, which is content. And so that affects you a lot. So we're going to look at that. So you need to clarify your points. You need to state the points in a topic sentence among others before expression. So you just don't talk or explain without the points. You need to state the point first before you elaborate the point. It's a key thing, but I think we'll talk about that when we are done with the whole competition. Because I plan to tell or teach some of.
Hello, it's your girl Efia, and we are still on Odasco Citizen TV. We are here with one of the students, and we are yet to ask her some questions. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Please, what's your name?
My name is Elena.
Okay, so I can see you guys are having competition here, and then I want to ask for your experience so far.
Okay, so far since I got here, the environment is nice, and so far the competition is going on well.
So, what's your expectation? Do you think your school is going to win, or?
Of course, I know my school is going to win. Actually, we are participating in the quiz, and I'm very sure we are going to win.
Oh, okay. So, will you wish to give any shout out to anyone that you wish to?
Sure, I'd like to give a shout out to my fellow colleagues or students are waiting for us in our school, and I'm telling them that they should await us with victory.
Okay, thank you very much for having me.
You are very welcome.
Digital platform increases revenue and business growth, as Dr. Kweku Akissss, the former heads of government policy coordination and delivery unit, has noted, and I quote, that digital platforms are expanding Ghana's economic progress by creating new value chains for young entrepreneurs. This goes down to my second point, which is
the chair, panel of judges, a great timekeeper, co-debaters, fellow students, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, and all other protocols duly and highly observed. Good day. I am Jane and number ID for Odasco Senior High School, and I stand before you here with great vigor to speak against the notion, and I quote, social media does more harm than good. Unquote, the chair, a quick rebuttal. I heard my opponents argue that social media brings about cyberbullying, but I boldly beg to defer that fact. Fraud is a law enforcement and regulatory issue, and not an inherent flaw of social media. Fostered this so in violation of the Ghana's Act 930. And my opponents, have you lost sight of the fact that social media can't operate on its own? It is rather the people behind social media that perpetuate all these fraudulent activities. Fraud existed even before social media came into existence. No, as a supporting this figure, I'll be using the following points to buttress my main points. 1. Educational access
for social media itself. However, the issue is time management and guidance. Just as with the traditional media like TV and radio could distract in earlier times, social media becomes harmful only when misused. The thread, I will be using this point to buttress my main point, which is youth creativity and innovation. I reiterate, youth creativity and innovation. The thread, social media in Ghana is not just entertainment. It is a springboard for youth creativity and innovation. Through structures like the Accra Digital Center, our government has enabled over 2,100 digital jobs, supported 345 startups, and engaged nearly 7,400 youth in digital training. With a restart initiative launched in 2023, the future gets to be brighter. Youth are being skilled in cutting-edge areas such as cloud computing, data analytics, AI, and cybersecurity. And with them too to create and innovate in a competitive digital marketplace. But innovation also blooms outside formal institutions. The YouTube Creators Festival, spearheaded by Ghanaian influencer Perima Amuni Sambo, shows how social media empower youth, especially women, with digital skills and platforms to share their stories, build brands, and aid livelihoods. The following are some points my police and I brought it over to our education.
Right? You are very very attentive, pay attention. Lose one to really kill us. You know that. Alright, so now we do the introduction and then yes, please, all students and all my students here, please. Alright, so students, and then have your language and your community, please, and then
The second school also had 285 total marks, and the first school had 298 marks. Oh, clap for the first school, clap for the first school. All right. So the fifth school is Achisec Senior High. So let's put our hands together for them. Go, 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 go. Open the air. Complete report. The fourth school is Akissss Senior High Technical School. Don't worry, you see your name, I told you. Akissss Senior High Technical School is the fourth school. Are you? The third school is Akissss Senior High School. Now it's between Akissss Senior High School and Odasco Senior High School. Oh, clap for the two of them. Clap for them, clap for them. Akissss Senior High School and then Odasco Senior High School. All right. So the second school had 285 points. And then the first school had 298 total marks. And ladies and gentlemen, the chairperson, the second school is Akissss.
Hi viewers, my name is Aplati Ashipi Judith and I'm a student of Odasco Senior High School. So for us getting to this stage, we prepared very immensely. We worked tirelessly to get to this place. So, and by the help of God, we are able to win this competition. Okay.